Which airplane made the first successful powered flight? What is the fastest commercial airplane in history? What is the main purpose of the tail of an airplane? What is the model name of the largest passenger airplane in the world? What is the defining feature of a stealth fighter jet? How many propellers are commonly used in small planes? Which airplane manufacturer is commonly used for international flights? What type of aircraft does a drone belong to? Which device is used during landing? Which airplane is also known as the jumbo jet?